How to join an ongoing WhatsApp call. To get started, first of all, open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be brought to the chats page. Here, you can view all your chats with friends on WhatsApp. Now, open a group chat with an ongoing voice call. You will see the voice call banner under the chat name as shown. In this chat, go to the top right corner and tap on Join to join this group call. Tap on Join again to confirm. You have now successfully joined this group call. You can turn on the speaker, mute, or end the call from here anytime. Keep in mind that you can only join a call if it is a group call. Following these steps, you can easily join an ongoing WhatsApp call. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.